How's it going, YouTube? Your host, Micah, again. Yeah, I just want to welcome you guys back. I want to talk about a couple things, and that includes, well, the metal lathe that I'm making. You know, it's a strenuous project. It's definitely not something I would do over again. Even if you paid me $1,000, I probably wouldn't do it. But I'm halfway through it right now, so I might as well continue doing it. I wanted to talk a little bit about it. I wanted to say that almost half of it is already made, and I did make that half. The bed is the only main piece that is already made. It's from a rivet plane turning lathe, and I think it's a 5907 is the model. And yeah, basically that's. So let me show you. I'm going to show you part of the lathe, okay? And from now on, I plan to document building it with the video, okay? Or at least some of it. I can't do all of it, you know. I got to build the thing, not just video it. But plan to video some of the, especially boring out the head. And I'll show you what I mean. So anyhow, this is the bed right here of the lathe. For all you that don't know what a lathe is, it's a tool for turning metal down to a desired diameter. That's what a lathe does. Or turning wood. But here's the lathe bed, okay? You can see right here, I cut these right here, the, you know, gear rack, and then all this right here, you can see, is the assembly that is the carriage assembly. All this is machined here. And then you can see this right here is the cross slide. You can see it moving back and forth. You can see in here there's gibs that push up on the underside of the bed of the lathe. Alright? And that's what puts tension on the whole assembly so that it can move without rocking. Okay? And then here I'll show you this piece right here. You can see the underside. It has these V-ways that exactly fit onto the bed in a like manner. Okay? And it can slide back and forth very precisely. Okay, this whole apparatus right here is I machined. Okay, I had to make it. I didn't make the screw. The screw is from another machine. And then this is all machined here. These steel gibs are machined. This part goes on the bottom, and then as you can see, these gibs come up and compress the whole assembly against this lathe bed, okay? And the next operation is reboring the new headstock, okay? And I plan to have either a piece of steel or aluminum, a big block, and it's going to be bored out with a mandrel assembly on the other side. And when the bore is complete, I plan to have either bronze bushings or brass bushings to support another mandrel, which will be the spindle. Okay, and that's the plan, you know, so far. Let this be the first video explaining everything. And so these pieces I machined off camera. I plan to have another video of a slideshow of the past pieces being made. Okay. So all the pieces being made are the gear rack and pinion gear for fast freehand cutting, and the carriage assembly and the cross slide. Those are the pieces already made. The headstock and the tailstock and the lead screw and gears still need to be made. So hopefully I can document all of that for the future. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for tuning in, and God bless. Amen.